Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an enriched flaky pie crust. It's the time of year for pies, and I will be posting new pie recipe videos every day next week, so stay tuned for that. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, or next week, new videos every day. So let's get started. This recipe makes enough for 2 pies or 1 double crust pie. So if you're doing 1 single crust pie, then half this recipe. First, in a large bowl, add in the flour, sugar, and salt, and mix them until they're combined. Then cut the cold butter into cubes. Add it into the flour mixture. And use your fingers to press and rub the butter into the flour until it's combined but still has large chunks of butter intact. Try not to make it too fine. This is the consistency you want. There should be large and small chunks of butter. If the mixture is still cold, you can proceed to the next step. If the butter feels soft or greasy, chill the mixture until it's cold again. Then add in the egg yolks and 2 tablespoons of the ice water. Mix it with a spoon at first. Then use your hands to bring it together into a ball. If it's too dry, add in more ice water, 1 teaspoon at a time, just until it comes together into a dough. Wrap it in plastic wrap, flatten it into a disc, and refrigerate it for at least 15 minutes until it's well chilled. When it's chilled, remove it from the fridge. Cut the dough in half if you're doing the full recipe. Place 1/2 back into the fridge so it stays cold. Lightly flour the work surface. And roll out the dough until it's about 1/8 of an inch thick and 1 to 2 inches larger than the pie pan. Add more flour if the dough is sticking. Roll up the dough around the rolling pin and unroll it into an ungreased 9-inch pie pan. Carefully lift and lower the crust so it fits the inside of the pan. Trim off the excess from the edges and smooth out the sides. And the crust is ready. Keep the crust in the fridge until you're ready to add the filling and bake it. And that's how to make an enriched flaky pie crust. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.